Hey, hello and welcome to my brand new video. This is my first video in 2023 and now this video I'm showing with you guys how you can create a professional YouTube channel in just few minutes. So please keep watching this video and follow step by step. First I go to YouTube and then go to sign in. Now we need to create a Gmail account. So I'm creating a Gmail account. Once you have created your Gmail account, then log in YouTube. Now create our YouTube channel. Click create a channel. So you give your channel name here. Our channel is created. Now we customize our YouTube channel. New channel, it's very important to make this setting. So do this same to same. First we come to the branding option. From here you can add your channel logo, channel banner and watermark. Then we will come to the basic information. If you want to change your channel name, you can do from here, and by clicking this option you can add your social media link, and here you can add your Gmail address for your business purpose. Here you can write about your channel. So after editing everything, now we will publish them. Our basic setting is done. Now we will do some advanced setting. Select your country. I am selecting my country. We will add our channel keyword so that our channel comes to the top when we search. First you give your channel name, then you can add some keyword to your video related. If your video are for kids, then click yes, otherwise no. Now we will do phone verification, which is very important for a YouTube channel. If you cannot verify your phone number, you cannot upload longer than 15-minute videos, custom thumbnails and live streaming. So it's very important. So verify it. And this is last setting. This option we can add our channel category, video language and others. You can subscribe our channel to get YouTube related and video editing related videos. Thanks for watching.